Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, on the Aussie dollar, I think we're in an A, B, C of wave Y, which I still believe this wave Y is going to go up. I think it's going to go up and take out both of these highs and probably end up at one of these Fibonacci extensor levels to finish off what I believe is a WXY pattern. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's pretty clear. We have a 1, 2, 3. I think we're in a wave 4. This is probably going to make a wave 5. This is all probably all still part of a wave 1 of this uptrend. I think it's going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is all going to be an uptrend for that wave Y trend, and it should be all part of that W, X, and ABC of wave Y, like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I believe that this is, I could possibly count this right here as a 1, 2, but either way, whether it's a 1, 2 there or whether it's a 1, 2 here, doesn't really matter much. Either way, I think this is all part of a 1, 2, 3. I think the wave 3 is most likely over. I believe we're in an A, B, C of 4, which I would expect it to go at least down to the 38% before it goes up one more time, finishing off a 4 and probably going up and making a wave 5. This should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1, which is most likely a wave 1 of wave Y based on the weekly and the monthly time frames. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think it's pretty clear that this move down is a trend, especially looking at correlated pairs, all the other dollar pairs. I think it's a 1, 2, 3. I think we're going to make a 4 and a 5, and this is all part of a wave A. Eventually, it's probably going to make a bigger correction, which would be a correction to this whole move down, should be a wave B, and I would expect to see another push down. Like I said, probably at least at a 38, probably someplace around the 0.666 area for the wave C. I think this is an ABC of 4, and I think probably in a few weeks it's going to end this wave 4 and end up going back up for that wave 5. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, it's a little messy as you go down to the 1 hour, but I think this is a 1. I think this right here is clearly an ABC of 2. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is all part of a wave 3. It could drift down a little bit more, but especially with the fact that we are sitting at a Fibonacci level, I think there's a good chance that we will go up and make a correction for the wave 4, which a wave 4 is a correction to the wave 3, and eventually go back down to make a wave 5, and I believe this is all part of a wave A, most likely a wave A of wave 4 on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.